And this morning, let's get you all the updates coming in from the state of Maharashtra, which is the worst affected state by COVID-19. Maharashtra has seen its biggest spike in cases in the last 24 hours. The number of cases has now gone up by 1,233. Now, 34 deaths have also been reported in the last 24 hours. The total number of cases in Maharashtra are nearing 16,000. The capital city of Mumbai alone has breached the 10,000 mark, and 64% of the total cases in the state are from Mumbai. 769 cases and 25 deaths have been reported in the last 24 hours in Mumbai. Apart from that, Dharavi, which is Asia's largest slum, has recorded 68 fresh cases and 1 death in the last 24 hours. Saurabh Vaktania is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on the story. Saurabh, good morning. Very worrying news that's coming in at this point from Mumbai. Huge spike in the number of cases in Maharashtra. What has the state government really attributed this rise in the number of cases to? Because no matter what steps, what measures are taken, every single day we're reporting a systematic and consistent rise in cases.
Well, absolutely, Akshita, and there is no stopping to the coronavirus cases in Mumbai, especially. Now, the city is actually running out of these spaces, and what the BMC and the government officials here are doing, Akshita, that they are building hospitals on road now. Now we have learned from the officials is that the Mahalakshmi Racecourse, the Nehru Planetarium, Nehru Science Center, NSCI Dome, all have been converted into hospitals. Now, yesterday was the highest rise of number of coronavirus cases in a single day. 1,233 cases in a single day is a huge rise. We also been told that many of the cases are been pending, which were not added up into this particular figure, and this can add more to number of cases. Now, there's a lot of restriction which needs to be implemented on ground by the officials as well as by the citizens of Mumbai, because at many places we saw how the implementation of lockdown and the social distancing norms are not being followed. Obviously, it's been a very long time that people are indoors, but yes, cases are on the all-time high. Every day we are in Mumbai seeing how 600 to 700 cases every day, which is a very huge rise. And the BMC, what they have been prepared is for, Akshita, they are in an assumption that around 70 to 80,000 cases might come up in Mumbai, and therefore we need more open spaces, more medics, more doctors to prepare for it.
Okay, Saurabh, for the moment, thank you for joining us with all those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.